Hi, I am Mosammat Khatun. I am a student of MSc Forensic Science. Recently, I completed the May-June internship of a internship on cybersecurity from FireShark Technology. Actually, it was so helpful to improve my knowledge about cybersecurity. This internship was based on the ethical hacking and the networking, and it helps me so much to improve my knowledge on ethical hacking and networking. During internship, some assignments there were some assignments per week, such as week 1 assignment, week 2 assignment. These assignments contain some questions, and we had to complete that question in this to complete the assignment. As so this assignment process was so good to improve anyone's knowledge and the material, and providing the study material. That's so helpful of the helpful process of FireShark technology. This is so helpful for a student. Thank you so much, FireShark technology. I'm so happy to complete your internship in from you. I'm Thank you, FireShark technology. Thank you.